Master the usage of subject and object pronouns in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to focus on an exciting and vital topic: subject and object pronouns. We've prepared some fantastic exercises for you that will help you identify errors in the usage of these pronouns. Buckle up, and let's dive right in. Before we jump into the exercises, let's quickly recap. Subject pronouns are used when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. An example would be, she loves to read books. Here, she is the subject of the sentence. Object pronouns, on the other hand, are used when the pronoun is the object of the sentence. They are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. For instance, in the sentence, John likes her. Her is the object pronoun. Now that we have refreshed our understanding of subject and object pronouns, let's practice identifying errors in their usage. Remember, a subject pronoun cannot be used where an object pronoun is needed, and vice versa. For instance, John likes she is incorrect because she is a subject pronoun and the sentence needs an object pronoun, her. Let's move to our practice exercises. I'll share a sentence with an error in pronoun usage, and your task is to identify and correct it. 1. Her and me went to the park. The correct sentence should be, she and I went to the park. 2. They invited my friend and I to the party. The correct sentence should be, they invited my friend and me to the party. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to find more examples and correct them. And that's it for today. I hope this video has been helpful in strengthening your understanding of subject and object pronouns in English. Keep practicing, and very soon, you'll find that you're making fewer errors in your everyday conversation and writing. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep learning.